Hello everyone, today we're going to make this quick and easy memory wire ring. The supplies that you're going to need for this are memory wire for rings, memory wire cutters, memory wire end caps. They're a bead with just one hole in them. The hole does not go all the way through. You'll need some beads. Some small ones like seed beads are perfect, and E6000. All right, let's get started. To begin with, you're going to need to cut, maybe a couple rings from the memory wire. There's a couple loops there. And what we're going to do is we're going to take one end, and we're going to need the E6000 and your end cap for this. I don't know if you can see that little hole. Take some of your E6000, just open up the end there, put a little glue on it. Not too much. Add the cap on. Just put the wire right into the hole. And just remove some excess glue. And let that sit overnight so it can dry. Alright, now that it's dry, it's the next day, we're going to start adding some beads. And I have these nice little, they're kind of black seed bead, like a blackish gray. And I'm just going to be adding these on the end that does not have the cap on. And the reason we put the cap on the day before was so that we have like a little stopper for the beads. And then just keep placing the beads on one after another. And I sped this up so that you don't have to suffer through me putting each little bead on. And as you're going along, just, go all the way around to that end cap, push all the beads there, and then just keep adding more and more. It seems like there's a lot of beads, but it does go rather quickly. In total, it took me about 15 minutes to 20 minutes to create this whole ring. All right, now we're getting close to the end, so just add a few more of those beads on. Putting the beads on at the end can get a little tricky, so do your best to try to keep them on because they do want to fall off. And then we'll get to the next part where we glue on the end cap. All right, let's take a little bit of the E6000 and place that on the end. Oops, that seems like a little bit much. Let's take some off. And now we will add on the end cap, and there, it's all finished. Now you just have to let it sit overnight and let that glue dry up. Here's the completed ring. I also added a charm with a jump ring, and you will see that in the photo. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for further notifications of my upcoming videos. Also in the description box below, you'll find links to my artwork, photography, and jewelry. See you soon. Bye-bye.